You're stupid.
I want to try something.
Paula's butt.
I want to go over there. It looks comfortable.
Sweet
You guys are retarded. Oh my god. Guys, when it goes black, you guys are supposed to scream. And you guys are supposed to slam the door closed too.
Well, Amber has his lemon. Do you know how? You have to, no, stop. Someone should do it. You have to grab it from here. You are stupid. I'm not.
Yes.
Dumbass. Remember? You called me stupid out there. No, I didn't. When?
When we were out there. It looks green, look, it looks green.
This is stupid.
Because it is green.
Okay, so you guys slam the door closed, and after they slam the door closed, I'm gonna go black, and then after it goes black, you guys start screaming, and then when I go like that, you guys stop. Okay.
Take 3.